Hi, I'm Meg Caswell, and this is Welcome Home Angel. And I'm so excited because the Design Network has teamed up with Welcome Home Angel to transform spaces for children with special needs. Welcome Home Angel's designers have been hard at work completing and transforming each space to suit the child's special needs. We believe every child with special needs should have a welcoming home. Today's angel is Julia. She's a sweet 5-year-old girl who has epilepsy, global developmental delay, and is dependent on her caregivers. She lives with a G-tube and has had a tracheotomy. Julia's large bed and medical needs have taken over the majority of the family's living space. I have brought in designer Liz Carroll to help figure out the best way to make a wonderful home for this single mom and her 4 children. I can't wait to see what she comes up with, so let's get in there and meet her family. Hi! Welcome Home Angel's here!
Awesome, it's nice to meet you guys.
This is your designer. This is Liz Carroll.
Nice to meet you,
Nice to meet you.
And I'm Meg, and we cannot wait to meet Julia.
Oh, come on, let me go introduce you to
Thank
Julia.
you.
So I want to tell you that I think you are in great hands with our designer, Liz Carroll. She is very experienced and she has done so much with Welcome Home Angel that I think you guys are going to be really pleased with the design plan she comes up with. Okay?
Thank you, Meg.
You're welcome. I'm going to check in with you later
Okay.
and see some
Sounds
progress.
good. Thank
okay?
you.
Bye, Julia. We'll see you later.
We want to make sure that we are in and out of this house as fast as possible. We don't want to displace the family for any more than they absolutely have to be. When you've got a medically fragile child, it's so hard with all of the equipment and the needs and the special care that goes into it. So we're going to assemble an army of people to come in and do this as fast as we can to the best of our ability. Tell me about some of the challenges that you're facing in Julia's current space.
With her current space, it's so compacted. It's like a hospital room. I want her to be able to have her own space.
Yeah, right now she doesn't have her own space, so we're gonna give her her own space.
Awesome.
I noticed that there's a lot of stuff, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to solve that for you. For Julia's project, there are a number of things that we wanna make sure that we address. Electrical is a huge need. Medical equipment and things that she needs for her care are scattered all over the house. Space is also an issue. We've gotta make sure that we can open up a room for Julia so that her mom and nurses can see her when she's sleeping in her bed. We also do makeovers for the siblings. The siblings give up a lot of time away from mom and dad when you've got a brother or sister with special needs. So we're gonna go in and give a special room to Jacob, the older brother, and the twin brother and sister as well. So let's go through our plan for the week. We've got notes down for everybody. Emily, the big thing on your list is we gotta get beds.
Okay.
So beds, bed frames, mattresses. It's reveal day! I can't wait to get inside and show this family their new home. I cannot believe that we did this project in 3 weeks. It took a dream team to pull this off. So we essentially gutted their house, put on an addition, did the interior and the exterior in 3 weeks, and then moved them back in.
It's big reveal day.
So excited.
Okay, well, they're outside and they're ready.
Can we bring them in?
I'll bring them into you. You guys wait right here. This looks so good.
Welcome home! So we opened up the wall and gave Julia her own space off of the family room so that the family could see her and she could see the family. Now she's got a space that's all her own, and she's also got a rocking chair for mom to rock her and a desk and a chair for the nurses to have a place to take notes when they're with her every day. Look at your new room!
Oh my God.
You needed some extra square footage for these twins!
Yes, they're busy. Do you like it?
Yeah.
What do you think? All these bright colors?
I love the bright colors, yeah. What do you think, guys? Can we say thank you?
You're welcome! So the twins are at the end of the hall. They've got a bunk bed so that the beds don't take up a lot of space, but they've each got their own bed to sleep in and a ton of space to play on the floor.
Oh my goodness.
What do you think?
I love it. This is awesome.
Especially this. This is.
What do you think about that helmet? We got it from the Panthers.
That's incredible. I love it so much. I love everything about this.
We also gave Big Brother Jacob his own new room. We painted it blue, gave him some Panthers gear, and put up a really cool picture of a pier in North Carolina. So we put a door on the back of the house and have a ramp that goes to the outside. Now the family doesn't have to carry Julia around the sides of the house. They can go right out the back door. We added a ramp for the wheelchair to go down, and it takes her right out to her swing and her therapy equipment to play. Come on in. Oh my God. Oh my God. I love it. What do you think? A spa retreat for Mom.
Oh my God, yeah, it is.
You need a place to relax too. You do a lot for everybody else.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Mom works so hard taking care of everyone else in this family, and she needed her own place to rest, relax, and recharge.
Feel very grateful for Jacob giving up his room for Julia, this is the second time he's had to give up his room for his siblings. Because
I'd do anything for them.
to say I'm grateful, it feels like an understatement because they've done more than I could have ever imagined that they would do. And it's beautiful. It looks nothing like it did before, and to see my children's eyes light up whenever they go into their rooms, and Julia having her own space, it's amazing. It's priceless. It's gonna make life so much more easier now that they've come in and done everything that they've done. It's amazing.